Hey scholars, happy Friday. So this week we used place value cards to help us know the value of digits in a number. And we don't actually have place value cards, but we did talk about what things were worth. So in this example here with the number 7,633, in the ones place there are 3 ones. In the tens place there are 3 tens. In the hundreds place, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundreds. And in the thousands place, there are 7 thousands. So if you look here in the number 7,633, what is the value of this underlined digit? And how do you know? The value of the 6 in 7,633 is 600. 600. I know this because the 6 is in the hundreds place. And just to remind you all, with place value, the furthest spot to the right is the ones place. What's after the ones place? The tens place, right? So we've got our ones, we've got our tens, and then we have the hundreds place. And then after the hundreds place, we have the thousands place. And that's where we would make a three-dimensional cube, which is kind of hard to make. I should do a whole lesson on making them, though. It's pretty fun. If you want me to do that, send me a message on Seesaw. If enough of you want to learn how to make these cubes, I would do a lesson on that. It's pretty fun. All right, so we have our numbers, or we have our place values, and the number 7,633, the 6 is in the hundreds place, so it's worth 600. Now take a look here with this number. Would you be able to read this number? This number is 6,504. What is the value of the 6? How do you know? The value of the 6 would be 6,000 because it's in the thousands place, right? The value of the 6 is 6,000. Now, what is the value of the 6? We have the number 3,486. What is the value of the 6? And how do you know? Pause the video to answer the question and then come back. Welcome back. The value of the 6 is 6 because the 6 is in the ones place. So 6 is 6. That's it. How about here? What is the value of the 6 in the number 9,062? What is the value of the 6 and how do you know? Pause to answer and then come back. The value of the 6 would be 60. It's in the tens place. So the value of 6 is 60. Will 6 always have the same value? Why or why not? Does 6 always have the same value? Does it always mean the same thing? Yes or no? If you're putting your thumb down, I want you to pat yourself on the back. You're right. It doesn't always mean the same thing. The number 6 here is 6,000. The number 6 here is just 6. The number 6 here is 60. Would you rather have 6,000 M&Ms or 6 M&Ms? There's a big difference, isn't there? If you would rather have 6,000 M&Ms, you and I have a connection. But the number 6 in these examples, it's different. The value is different because of the place value. Okay, now there are quite a few problems here that we're going to go through. It says for directions, for each number below, tell the value of the underlined digit. So if we look at A, we have the number 462. The value of the underlined digit 2 is what? The value of 2 in the ones place is just 2. Now take a look at B. What is the value of the underlined digit 3? The value would be 3,000. That's fun to say, 3,000. You try. Yes, the value of the 3 in the thousands place is 3,000. Good. Okay, look at C. What is the value of the underlined digit 5? The value would be 500. 500. What is the value of the underlined digit here? 0. There's nothing in the tens place, so the value right here would just be 0. There's 0 tens. All right, what is the value of the underlined digit for E? Look at E, the number 5. What is the value of 5? The value of 5 in the ones digit or ones place is 5. Okay. Now this is interesting. The directions say, for each number below, tell the value of the underlined digit. So we have the number 462. What is the value of that underlined digit? Is it 2 ones or 2? And actually, you know, now that I'm looking, we did this already. This is just the answer key. We already answered all this. And we got them all right. Okay, so second grade superstars, thank you for coming to the mini lesson. You are going to complete an activity on Seesaw to help you continue to practice with place value. Okay, thinking about the value of a number, because remember, the value changes based on the place value. So if I have the number 7 in the ones place, this number is just 7. If I said I have 7 cookies in the cookie jar, I just have 7. But if I had 7D cookies in the cookie jar, 7D, and I have the 7 in the tens place, 7D is many more than 7, 63 more cookies. There's 7 in the tens place. If I have 7 in the hundreds place, this number doesn't just mean 7, it means 700. If I have 7 in the thousands place, that doesn't mean 7, that means 7,000. So these digits have different values if they're in different places for place value, okay? So make sure you do your work on Seesaw, and then make sure you go on Happy Numbers and explore and continue to learn on Happy Numbers, our new math learning app. All right, second graders, have a great rest of your Friday. Goodbye.